So guys, for the first step, you want to go to youtube.com, so the YouTube website. Now once we're here, if we look over here, it might be saying for you install YouTube. Click on this and then click on install. If it does not show this button install YouTube, then you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and then you want to select cast, save and share. It should then be saying for you install YouTube. Click on this and then click on install. You should then have the YouTube app on your desktop. If it doesn't show on your desktop, then you want to go to the web browser apps page. To do it on Chrome, you want to search for Chrome://apps and then click on enter. You should then be seeing the YouTube application. You want to right click on it and then select create shortcut. It should then be on your desktop. You can open it up. Once it's been opened, you can also pin it to your taskbar. Right click, pin to taskbar, and you have it right here. That's how you do it.